Hi, this is Alicia and Ray from Alba Adventures. We've been in quarantine now for about 8 weeks, and to keep our spirits up, we've been going through some of our old footage. And we've come across some footage from while we were filming Nature's Bounty, and we thought you might like it.
And ironically, I'm wearing my Lake Placid t-shirt, so you could tell it's probably from Whiteface, and we hope you enjoy it. We haven't been out in weeks now, so we're just trying to lift our spirits up, and yours too, and look forward to next ski season.
Hope to ski you soon.
Bye.
That's parent.
So we just went around.
And then you follow that stream bed out.
Yeah, it was actually really nice.
Yeah.
Did you a good day today?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate White Face?
A 9.
9? 1 out of 10. On
Yeah,
a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate White Face?
great.
On a scale of 1 to 10, great.
Wonderful.
How about like 8, 9, or 10?
10.
Alright. How about you?
I'm unbraiding my hair, but today I'd rate it 11.
11. Alright. So how would you rate White Face? On a scale of 1 to 10? A 9? Yo, your brother did 9 as well. It's really funny. You guys are the same wavelength. You got some killer sun. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate White Face?
I would rate Whiteface a 9.5.
9.5. Alright. And how about you?
Today a 10.
What? 10? Why a 10?
Because we got 6 laps on Skyward, and they were all really, really good.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
Wait, I could my hair is all flat. Helmet head. Yeah, right. It's just really dirty.
It's dirty snow, man. Want some dirty dime?
Yeah, we have a dirty dime, but we don't want to fish it out of the water.
Expression, Mom. Like I'm putting something there. So people think
Maybe turn it around the other way. Touch the fuzzy thing.
Yeah, sure.
Solomon.
Those aren't any of yours, are they?
No,
It's
those
very
are not.
soft.
No,
It
they weren't
feels like
here.
the dog.
Yeah.
Bye.
No.
Oh, the automatic fancy trunk.
Oh yeah.
There you go, put some pressure on it. There you go. All right, love you guys. See you later.
All right, have a great trip, guys.
Bye.